Hello everyone, my name's Raj from Learn to Drive ASAP, and today's driving test tip is on the parallel park maneuver. So the parallel park is one of the maneuvers the examiner could ask you to do during your driving test. So it's important that you master this maneuver before going on your driving test. Key things to remember when carrying out the parallel park is to keep your speed slow and steady, and all-round 360 observations. Checking over your right shoulder before steering to the left, and checking over your left shoulder, looking out the back window. This mirror is not good enough. We need to look in the direction we are going. So the way I like to teach the reverse park exercise is the 1-2-1 method. So we turn one wheel to the left, two wheels to the right, one wheel back to the left, while straightening out the car. So we have 3 reference points that we need to look out for. The first one is we line our car up with the car on the left, so parallel alongside the car on the left, and we reverse back until our wing mirror on the left has passed half the vehicle. Once we've passed half the vehicle, we turn one wheel to the left. Before doing so, I check over my right shoulder because the front of the car will swing out, making the road narrow. So we need to look out for cyclists and motorbikes. Once we do that, we continue reversing back until the front of my car has passed the back of the car on the left. As soon as that's done so, I turn 2 wheels to the right. While I'm doing this, I'm maintaining all-round observations and keeping a steady speed. As I'm coming in, I wait until my car has aligned with the car in front, then turning one wheel back to the left and then reversing back. So I'm showing the examiner my tyres are straight, my car is straight, and then stop, keeping about a car's width from the vehicle in front. Remember, the examiner will give us 2 car lengths to use, so you don't want to get close to the vehicle in front. Okay, take your time and keep your distance from the vehicle in front. Ideally, at least tyres and tarmac. Okay, I hope that helped, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.